Hello happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because BTArtBox sent me over their new releases of some of their new press-on nails. So I'm gonna hop right on into this because I want to see what they look like. So this here is the new design that they have. Comes with a total of 96 nails, and these are the tortoiseshell nails, you guys. They did let me pick two different shapes that I wanted, so I did get the long stiletto, and I also got the medium almond. So I'm gonna open both of these up so you guys can see how they look. But let's just get a moment here. Packaging super cute. Now I did notice that these nails look a little bit more opaque than some of their X coat tips. And these are called the soft coat tips. And I think these are the nails that's going to in particular need to be applied with nail glue. So let's just get a closer look at these, okay? So like I said, they have the soft coat tips and then they have the X coat tips. And actually on the box here, it does say that it is a mix of soft gel material. So I don't think these are completely soft gel nails. It says apply fast and remove in 20 minutes. Up to 2 weeks to wear. So yeah, I guess this is the X series instead of the S series. Okay, so let's take a closer look here. Let's see. Yeah, these nails are freaking gorgeous. I actually really love a good stiletto nail. I haven't worn stiletto nails in a really long time. I'm working in corporate, so you know, trying to be low key at work, you know, wearing your nails shouldn't really matter, but I think, you know, in workplaces, rules apply, different rules apply kind of thing. So really quick, I do want to read the instructions on this one just to see what the difference is between the X coat tips and the X coat tips. These nails are in particular designed to be applied with nail glue. It says apply with nail glue for up to 2 weeks to wear, and then it shows you all how to properly apply them. Over here it also gives you guys more tips about how to sizing and such. Now I did notice over here it said, pro tip, if you're in between sizes, go for the smaller one. This way your nails will stay put the longest. If they're too big, they'll pop off much more easily. I actually don't agree with that. I actually feel like you should size up if you're in between sizes and then file the bigger nail down to the shape of your nail. But their product, their recommendation, it's just in my experience, I found that sizing up does help a little bit more. And then they say removing it, they give you tips on that. And then they got it in a couple different languages. So these are designed specifically to be applied with nail glue. So do not try to apply these with UV gel because the light will not penetrate for it to fully cure. But what I do love about these nails is that they're coming out with press-ons that now come on strips and that come with multiple sets. So I really love that because y'all know the BTArtBox nails are really, really high quality. So let's take a really closer look at these nails. These nails are super strong at the base area and at the edge. Yeah, these nails look absolutely beautiful. I love that tortoiseshell design. It's kind of hard to see because but what I am going to do is I'm just going to take one of the nails and apply some base and top coat to it so we can kind of get a better idea of what that design looks like. But y'all, look at this cuteness. Oh my gosh. And it's just in time for the fall. I love this. And honestly, even though these are the long nails, these ain't too long. You know, I can still get some work done with these. So I think I might, once I take these sets off that I have on, I might actually go ahead and do a little wear test for you guys, or demo at least sport them over a weekend or so. So like I said, I'm going to come on and I'm going to paint one of these nails with some base and top so y'all can see the actual design itself. I'm doing a wear test currently on some press-on nails that I have on my hands right now, so I won't be able to demo in this video. These nails are going 2 weeks strong. These nails are also BTArtBox nails, so you all can get an idea of what the longevity is like. This is from the Long Her Pretty Nails collab with BTArtBox, and I've applied all of their nails using different application methods, everything from acrylic to builder gel to nail glue to, on this hand, poly gel, on this hand, solid nail glue, just to show you all different application methods. But if you all have missed that playlist, I'll link it down below. It's going strong. You guys are really enjoying it. I won't be doing a demo in this video because I'm currently doing a word test, but I definitely wanted to come out here and showcase these new products for you guys. So this is the long stiletto, and then we have the medium almond. Beautiful. And same deal on here. It's going to tell you to apply the nails using nail glue. So definitely make sure you guys have a good nail glue. I do recommend the one from Beauty Secrets nail glue. I think this nail glue is really good. Definitely I recommend the BTArtBox nail glue. Their nail glue is also really great. So this here is the medium almond. And these are so cute, y'all. So that's what these nails are looking like. Very, very cute. And like I said, these are a little bit darker, so you definitely want to make sure you go ahead and apply these with some nail glue. But super cute design on the nails. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And like I said, you get 3 strips with each box. So you get 1, 2, 3. I just like the fact that you have like multiple sets in one box. And this one also comes with 90 nails, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and coat one of these for you guys and show you what they look like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do the thumbnail. BTArtBox was also kind enough to send me over some brush-on nail glue. So this is the type of nail glue that you all will need to apply these press-on nails, because like I said, they are a little bit more opaque. I will say you can technically still see your nail through the press-on, but I wouldn't recommend it because like I said, they look really dark. And this is one of the reasons too why I do prefer the application method of using acrylic to apply press-ons, because you don't have to worry about if the nails are opaque or not. You can apply that with any of the press-on nails. If you all have missed those videos, I'll link that down below as well. I got quite a few showing you guys how to apply press-ons with acrylic, but that's another option if you don't want to use nail glue. But the nail glue, the BTArtBox nail glue is really good. I've had press-on nails last up to a whole month using the BTArtBox nail glue. So this stuff is really good. This is the brush on nail glue. So I'll show you guys how to do another set using this nail glue, but this stuff works. I have a whole wear test where I demoed how they've lasted, so I'll leave that down below as well. And then they did include their French protecting duo for the X-coat tips in here. So this comes with the builder gel, and this one says plus at the top, and then it also comes with a top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the nails look like with builder and top on, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to first go in with the builder gel, and like I said, I'm going to apply that to the thumbnail. Since I'm going to be applying these nails with nail glue anyway, it doesn't really matter if I'm like prepping the nail beforehand. And actually, this was a tip that I had seen on somebody else's channel. I saw it on Instagram where the lady applied the builder gel and the top coat to the nail while it was still on the strip, cured it, and then applied them to her nail. And I thought that was a really cool hack. So I might be doing that moving forward, but for now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like with the builder gel here. Oh, that really brings that nail to life, doesn't it? That's cute. Look at that. These would be really cute with like some gold foil accents or even some gold stickers. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I like the consistency of that builder gel. It's nice and thick. Gives you a lot of control over the product. Look at that, y'all. Cute. Okay, so I'll go ahead and cure. Alrighty, so that is what it looks like with the builder gel. Now I'm going to go in with top coat. And again, you guys, this is a hack here that if you all want to save some time when you're doing your nails, go ahead and just paint them while they're on the strip. You can even design them while they're on the strip, cure them, and then apply them. Yeah, those are cute. Like I said, with some gold foils, y'all, this will really come to life. Alrighty. So this is what the nail is looking like with a base and top. Like I said, these are a little bit darker than what I'm used to with the nail designs from BTArtBox, but I'm not mad at it though. They cute. They cute or whatever. So yeah, this design is really cute. I think it'd be really cool if you applied like some different nail art, especially like some gold foils, gold trimming, etc. to the nails. So I'm excited that they're continuing to come out with new and innovative designs for these press-ons. I love that they're coming on a strip now. So BTArtBox, y'all keep doing y'all thing. Y'all are definitely leading the way with this press-on nail game. So yeah, big shout out to BTArtBox for sending these over for review. I absolutely love them. Like I said, I love the fact that they're coming out with all these cool new and unique designs with the press-ons. You know, I got dedicated playlists on my channel. I got tons and tons and tons of videos that show you guys how to use and wear these nails and get them to last. It's just like going to the nail salon, getting your nails done. And I do have a discount code with BTArtBox. I'll leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you guys want to save some coin while you're shopping their website. But like I said, I have a lot of dedicated reviews on these BTArtBox products. They're tried and true and they work great. I will point out too that with these particular designs, I know I've mentioned in the past that I've had issues with the base and top peeling off of the nails. I don't have that issue with these type of press-on nails from BTArtBox. I mainly have them with their French tip press-ons. And so yeah, I highly recommend their products. I think they're great. I think that they perform beautifully. Like I said, I have on sets from BTArtBox right now. These nails are 2 weeks going strong. I didn't even apply base and top coat and they look great, you know. So definitely, if you guys are in the market for some new press-ons, I highly recommend this brand. They're tried and true and I love them. And yeah, stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, I am continuing my mini series with the BTArtBox and Long Hair Pretty Nails collab. And I'll be applying press-ons using UV sticky tabs and regular sticky tabs for the next applications. I do have a dedicated playlist for all of the sets that's included in her collab nails as well, but I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!